Miawezolo.
Aquaba, beautiful people. It is your girl Empress Nay and Daniel, and we are here to introduce you guys. On June 2023, we will be booking a 2-week tour to the motherland. If you've ever wanted to experience the beautiful land of Ghana, this tour is for you. On this tour, we will be traveling up the coast of Ghana. We will be visiting Cape Coast, the dungeons, the Ancestral Last Bath, and we will also be partying in the Accra region.
Nightlife, good food, good culture, good investment opportunities as well.
Yes, of course, invest in Africa always. But yes, if you guys are interested in this tour, follow us for more information. We'll be updating you guys weekly with what's going on in this tour. We hope to see you guys there. Bye.
Peace out.